Hello, I'm Dan Beastie, part of the Tuesday class for ITM. My teacher is Mr. Don Hardaway, and my presentation will be on databases. Database systems play a significant role in how businesses store, obtain, and distribute information. Here is my overview of my presentation. I'm going to talk about the types of databases, the advantages for databases, and what exactly is a database. So what is a database? A database is a computer-structured, organized collection of data. Database's strong security profile protects data. All data is organized prominently and can easily be obtained. All data is saved on a specific storage unit electronically. Because the data is saved in a specific storage unit on the computer, it can be easily obtained and delivered to different databases. The different databases I'll be recognizing in the 6 slides are the text database, the desktop database, the relational database management system, the NoSQL and object-oriented databases, the distributed database, and normalization. The text database is the easiest and most basic database used today. Text database automatically saves your work on file on your computer's hard drive. For example, if you made a Word document on your Dell computer, it would be placed under the documents file as soon as you saved it. The text database also simply breaks down data and places it into specific categories. The desktop database is a lot more complex than the text database. It's primarily used for individuals using a computer. A good example of a desktop database is a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. If you compare it to Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel is a lot more complex and maybe a little more difficult to use for the average user. The relational database management system is the most commonly used database system today in the working world. It allows thousands of people to work on a database at the same time, which speeds up production and also makes production more efficient. This database system is primarily used for informational technology databases. The NoSQL and object-oriented databases are incredibly technology advanced. They are both prized as the most innovative databases up to date. Instead of organizing data in a common and simple way, like on a Microsoft Excel worksheet, these databases use a more complex method and organize their data on bookshelves. These databases have mechanical assistants standing by to help narrow down the specific data that is stored on the bookshelves. The distributed database includes many different locations of a company feeding information to one database. This allows companies that are fairly large and nationwide to connect all their locations' data and information into one universal network instead of having separate databases at every location. Normalization is a business-type database. In the database, you must store the first name of the specific subject and the last name of the specific subject in different categories. Normalization minimizes data redundancy, in other words, a large amount of unneeded data. Relational database management systems require normalization. Now, here are the advantages of databases. They include substantial time savings, accessibility, linking data, and they also help email and social media for a company. Databases save time. Databases retrieve a single record, which may take several minutes of digging in a paper-based filling system. Merging database records with documents makes producing paper reports almost instantaneous and eliminates hours of retyping. Accessibility. All data is stored on one file. Databases allow people to look at many sets of data with just a click of a button. Specific data is organized in specific categories that are organized neatly. Databases are also free of charge. For example, a public library database, there is no charge needed for using. Workers are able to link different sources of information thanks to databases. Linking different works and data together increase productivity. Different people can combine works, making data compatible. Databases allow companies to provide data analysis to customers through email and social media. Databases provide individual responses for companies and easy access to customer feedback. This enhances a company's productivity as well. Now here are two database examples. Police use databases to track criminal records and solve crimes. These databases allow law enforcement to acquire patterns and trends in attempts to reduce crime. Library databases help notify customers if books are in stock. They also allow workers and customers to find book titles, to find authors, and also to find ISBN numbers on the side of books. They also help workers know if books are checked out or overdue. According to JackCenter.com, these are the top 3 database softwares of 2014. Number 3, the Microsoft SQL servers. Number 2, the IBM DB2. And the best database software used in 2014 was the Oracle RDBMS, according to JackCenter.com. In conclusion, the technological advances of databases will continue to pave paths of success for companies for decades to come. Thank you.